Let me show you how the Delhi government has completely failed in cleaning up the river Yamuna. I'm at the Kalindi Kunj Ghat in Delhi. I was at this same spot 4 months ago, and I can tell you one thing for sure. Despite the BJP government's repeated promises, the level of this toxic foam on the Yamuna has only gotten worse. And this white foam that I'm seeing on the river is close to 10 to 20 inches thick. For as far as I can see, jahan tak meri nazar ja pa rahi hai, you can only see foam. There's not even a patch where you can see water. But one thing has changed though. Earlier it was only white foam. Now you can also see pink foam here on the Yamuna. And this tells you that untreated waste and dyes from industries is being released into this river. There's currently triple engine Sarkar in Delhi, and still this is the condition of the river Yamuna. Let me tell you what the government had promised. Home Minister Amit Shah had said in October 2025 that the Yamuna up to Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh will be cleaned up in 7 months. From October to March now, it's been 5 months, and the results are in front of you. The river is still as stinky, as dirty as it has been for years. And I also want to show you that it's not just this foam, but even the water underneath this foam is like sewage water. This water is completely black in color. Now, according to rules, the Delhi government is not supposed to release any untreated sewage water or any untreated industrial waste into the river Yamuna. Despite these rules, more than 64 crore liters of untreated sewage waste is released into the Yamuna every single day. And it's this untreated sewage and industrial waste that's creating this toxic foam. And while the government showed us videos of a clean river Yamuna during Chhath Puja using chemicals as temporary solutions, now that public and political attention has gone away from the Yamuna, the Bihar elections and the Chhath Puja are over, that chemical spraying has stopped and the reality is out. Reports by the Delhi Pollution Control Committee clearly show that the levels of coliform, which shows fecal matter in the Yamuna river, are still extremely high, as they were under the AAP government as well. And many people still come here to worship the holy river, take a bath in this, and even drink this water as holy water, even though it can cause a host of serious diseases. TV channels and governments keep fooling you with manufactured claims, but we'll keep bringing you such ground reports that show you the truth. So make sure you follow Peak TV.